Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is... This video is sponsored by Semrush. Today, I'm going to show you the exact social workflow I ran inside Semrush and why all-in-one marketing platform finally stopped sounding like marketing fluff to me. Most creators don't fail at social because they can't write a caption. They fail because social is 5 jobs where 1 job title. Ideas, calendar, platform formatting, competitor stalking, weekly reporting. And if those jobs live in 5 different tabs, you're not doing strategy. You're busy at switching from different tabs. That's why I wanted a platform that connects SEO, content, competitor research, no other lonely scheduling app. Because the best post in the world still lasts if nobody can find the brand elsewhere. So, Semrush. Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. SEO, content, advertising, local, competitive research, AI visibility, social. Once login, mountable toolkits, same data brain. Today, I'm going to dip on the Semrush Social Toolkit. Social Toolkit is not a separate brand. It's one toolkit inside Semrush. Okay, Semrush is an Adobe company. It's super strong digital marketing tool. This is a must for a brand. You got many functionalities in one place. You can find all the data of your brand. And what's the best, you can control all your platforms, all your social platforms in this website. Already, many big companies start to use Semrush. Use my link in the description to access Semrush Social and get a 7-day free trial. This is dashboard of Semrush. This is where I manipulate all the social medias that I have. Alright, so first let's hover in social and click dashboard. Once you give access to Semrush, and then we'll back, then you can find Semrush already can get access to your TikTok account. Yeah, check here. And click here, add profile. Here you can connect Semrush to your Facebook, to Instagram, to LinkedIn, to your Google business profile, even Pinterest. You can control all the social medias from here. You don't need to log in one by another anymore. Let me demonstrate how you can do that. Just click here. And for example, like LinkedIn, let's click here. And now let's click here, allow. And choose your account, click add profiles. One profile successfully connected. Okay, click continue. Now we are able to control our TikTok and LinkedIn. Okay, since we already connect our Semrush accounts with 2 different social medias, now we can do something fun. You can click here, social poster. Then you can find the calendars of your social medias. You can see I'm pretty active in TikTok, right? Of course, each platforms. So now it's only listed the TikTok because I didn't post anything in LinkedIn. You can click here, profile. If you select this Instagram, you can find actually I didn't post anything. But if you select this, you can find my post on TikTok. And you can click here, switch different amounts. Okay. So now is the best part. You can click here, new post. Okay, now in the new post page, you can select the different platforms to post once and publish in different multiple platforms. This is really good because I don't need to copy and paste to different platforms. It's really exhausted for people like me, right? With this tool, you are able to control all your platforms. You can post it, you can run it, you can check the status of it, you can add more accounts to it, and let's test it if this works, okay? Alright, I just generated this image, let's download it, and let's publish to different platforms. In fact, you can also publish the video. Alright, let's add some text. So, in LinkedIn, it will be shows like this. And in TikTok, it will be shows like this. And if you got a Facebook account or Instagram account, you can also link them. And once click, you can publish to different platforms, okay? And also for the TikTok, you can choose this post settings. You can allow the comments, allow to do it, allow to stitch. You can click here, save settings, and you can publish now, or you can make a schedule, or you can click here, publish regular, or you can click here, publish regular. You see, I already published many videos on TikTok, right? It's not a very wise move. In fact, I should publish only 1 to 2 posts every day. So with this publish regularly too, I can do it quite regularly, right? So you can set to publish every 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. But right now, just let's do it post now. Let's see if this can work. So let's click here. Okay, in order to make it even cooler, let's make a video.
Hello, welcome to Semrush.
Let's share a video instead. So I'm going to publish this video with this text on both LinkedIn and TikTok platform. And when you scroll down, you can find our preview page. This is how it's gonna look like in different platforms.
Hello.
You can click here to preview. And you can use all the functionalities on Semrush, for example, like the schedule, to make a different schedule of the publish time or publish regularly. Let's post now. All right, seems like we are publishing the content right now. And LinkedIn platform already has its check mark. Let's click here. And when you click the post, you can find a dashboard. And in this dashboard, you can find more data about this post. And you can click here to check the post link. Okay, it actually works. This is my LinkedIn. And this is my TikTok. You can click here to check. That is so cool. That's so useful, you know. And going back to Semrush, also you can add this tool to your Chrome. For small business owner just like us, we control so many social media accounts, but we don't have time to do all the copy and paste works. That's where Semrush tool comes along. And also if you own the websites, just like me. And by the way, I just published my websites recently. This is my personal websites. You can find a lot of the information and the design works from me. And basically, this is like a portfolio of my, I don't know, it's pretty dope, right? This is designed by AI with my idea. And this is a really nice website. And when you go to the Google and when you search James Shi, you can find my website on the top. This is because I have a Semrush. So in SEO page, you can find more data about your website. You can connect your website with Semrush. What is SEO? So on search engine, like you have a certain algorithm to calculate which websites to promote to the users related to users' keywords. That's called SEO. Get a better SEO, meaning that your website will get more traffic. And with Semrush, you can do that easily. And you can use this tool to analyze your website. You can find more data about your website. And because my website is brand new, so I don't have any data, but you can still find some useful information about your website. And actually, Semrush not only has the social platform controls, but also you can use SEO tools to help you write better SEO content and use AI functionality to test if your website's recommended by AI or traffic and market tools. You can find a lot of useful tools for marketing and even AI PR. This influencer analysis is quite useful for me. You just click here and tap your keywords, for example, like AI tools, and choose a different platform, for example, like the YouTube. And Semrush can list it so many results for you. You can find the trending topic and you can follow up to do a YouTube video. Or if you want to start a topic but you don't want any competitors, you can use this tool to search your topic. Okay, so much for today. Yeah, to sum up, Semrush is a really cool pal for any marketing people. And also for influencers just like us, if you are running many social medias, you can use this tool to control all your accounts. And you can publish by this tool as well. And also, if you have websites, you can use SEO, PR, and even traffic and marketing tools. Okay, so don't forget to check the description. You will find a lot of usable links there. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.